As a newbie PC builder, the idea of liquid cooling is kind of terrifying. It evokes images of big, complicated tubing and just defies all logic by putting water anywhere near an electronic item. Hi there, I'm Sarah from Thermaltake Australia, and if you're looking for an AIO that is pretty awesome as well as having a bit of extra pizzazz, let me introduce to you our new Floe DX all-in-one cooler. Starting off with, of course, the most eye-catching part of the cooler, this AIO features our new high static pressure Riing DUO RGB fans. These fans utilize a long-life hydraulic bearing and compression fan blade design, which means you get outstanding performance without distracting loud fan noises. Like many of our other RGB items, these are fully customizable with up to 16.8 million color options, as well as being able to sync up with our other RGB items through our patented TT RGB Plus software, as well as any other Razer Chroma items you may own. Our cooler also comes with Amazon Alexa integration, meaning you can control the speed and colors of your fans just by asking your old pal Alexa to help you out. But never fear if you are Alexa-less, as our very own TTAI voice control app will also do the job. In further RGB news, our water block isn't forgotten either, with some added RGB goodness on the exterior of that as well. And now, on to the nitty-gritty. Details time. Believe it or not, AIOs are generally designed with novices in mind who want simple, compact liquid cooling but can still show off all their flashy, fancy internals, and this AIO is no exception. The Floe DX series comes in 3 sizes: 240mm, 280mm, and 360mm, the former including 2 fans and the latter 3. This means that you have a few options to suit your specific chassis size. You also don't really have to worry about clearance issues with an AIO either, as it lies flat in the chassis, unlike many of those big, bulky air coolers. The thermal paste comes pre-applied to the water block itself, so no need to worry about applying too much or too little. Combining a copper base plate and reliable pump, this cooler can provide unparalleled heat dissipation. This AIO is easy to install and provides basically maintenance-free operation with pre-filled coolant, so there really isn't a need to change the water at all. Cleaning-wise, just use a can of compressed air and do a spray through the rails every time you do a general PC clean, and that's it, you're all done. The cable uses reinforced sleeves that will prevent damage and potential leaking, which will help set your mind at ease. Because no one wants a leaking cooler. Or really leaking anything. Is there anything you would actually want to leak? Each Floe DX AIO includes brackets that are compatible with both AMD and Intel CPUs, so don't stress if you're one or the other. So there you have it, our gorgeous new Floe DX all-in-one cooler. If you haven't switched to an all-in-one and you want either great overclocking abilities or just a new sleeker look instead of a bulky air cooler, the Floe DX all-in-one cooler might just be the one for you. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy it, remember to leave us a like and pop any questions or comments you may have in the comment section down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and ding the bell to be notified every time we upload. We'll catch you in the next one.